Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our social science class. Dear students, last class we studied about what is economics, what are the fundamental problems faced by an economy, etc. Today we can study about the economic thinking. Can you say what is economics? Economics is the branch of science that studies economic activities relating to production, distribution, and consumption. Economics is not merely a study of wealth, it is also a study of man and society. The contributions of economic thinkers belonging to different periods have benefited the growth of economics. Here we can see the picture of Adam Smith. He is considered as the father of economics. He was born in 1723 and died in 1790. Adam Smith was an 18th century, lived during the 18th century, and he was a Scottish economist. He is not only an economist, he was a philosopher and author, and who is considered the father of modern economics. Adam Smith was a Scottish economist, and he wrote a famous book, An Enquiry into the Nature and Cause of the Wealth of Nations. He has laid a strong foundation for economics through his book. In his book, he described or he explained that economics as the study of wealth. He put forward a theory. It is known as the theory of laissez-faire. In this theory, he explained that, or he wanted limited government intervention in the economic activities of the people. And also, he argued for more freedom to individuals. That means, according to this theory of laissez-faire, Adam Smith proved that in order to get more development in the economic field, we have to give more importance to the individuals, not in the government. His theory is very famous. During the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution led to the establishment of new industries and labor unions. There occurred marked changes in technology and production process. The ideas put forward by Karl Marx rooted in these changes. Karl Marx was Karl Marx was a German philosopher, economist, historian, sociologist, and political thinker. He was born in 19th century, Trier in Germany in 1818, and he died on 1883. He was a famous advocate for communism. The ideas of Marx are contained in his magnum opus, Das Kapital. Das Kapital, it was a famous book written by Karl Marx. His ideas was, or he gave more importance to the role of laborers in the production process. He believed that production is the manpower, or production is the result of the manpower used by the laborers, and that the price of the product is the reward for the manpower utilized by the laborers. So, he proved that labor is plays a major role in the production processes. But he says that the laborers get only a portion, while the major portion or share of the production goes to the hands of the capitalist as a profit. He called this feature as the surplus value. He dreamed about a society where there is no difference between haves and the have-nots. Haves means those who have, and have-nots. The ideas of Marx are included in his famous work, Das Kapital. His most famous book was the Communist Manifesto. He believed that everyone should contribute what they can, and everyone should get what they need. This is the policy of Karl Marx. Okay.